Hola, feliz viernes. Hoy es viernes. Yo soy Rory y estoy contento de estar aquí con ustedes. I'm teaching 4 online classes right now, and as we've sort of changed our model and shifted all of our courses to online, and over the last couple of weeks, 3-ish weeks, all of the courses have sort of come across the medical history type topic, and I was going through some practice sessions with our students and everything, and realizing that this is a structure that is importante, useful, but not very English. And so it's probably not something that you've seen in the past. And you can get by with other structures, and I'll show you what those are. But hey, you're watching this lesson because you want to improve your Spanish. And so this is a structure you're going to like. The cuánto tiempo hace que, to say things like since when and ago in Spanish. You're going to like it because it'll help you sound a little more Spanish, like a Spanish speaker. Okay, so las estructuras lógicas that I want to review with you, then you've probably seen and heard before. First of all is por cuánto tiempo, right? So por cuánto tiempo, literally for how much time. Super easy, super straightforward. If you're on the beginner level of Spanish, stick with this one because por cuánto tiempo, and then just like a present tense verb, tiene dolor de cabeza, for how long do you have a headache? And it works perfectly. People understand you just fine. You'll also probably hear some of your Spanish interpreters use a structure like this, desde cuándo, which is since when. Desde cuándo tiene dolor de cabeza? Since when do you have dolor de cabeza? Every time I travel abroad, though, I see and hear una estructura no muy inglés, una estructura that's not very English at all. And here's how it goes. It's cuánto tiempo hace que, and hace cuánto que. So now, hace is the verb hacer, and it means to do or to make. And so this makes 0 sense in English, but essentially what we're saying is either since when or ago. And the difference is whether we use a present tense verb next or a preterite tense verb next. So take a look. So when you have this structure, cuánto tiempo hace que or hace cuánto que, with presente, tiene dolor de espalda. So for essentially it's how long have you had back pain, and it continues today. Yeah. However, si usas con el pretérito, cuánto tiempo hace que tuvo dolor de espalda, now it's ago. So how long ago did you have back pain? Or hace cuánto que tuvo dolor de espalda. So when we use the present tense, it continues on to today, and it's a since when structure. Cuando usamos el pretérito, it's ago, and it's not necessarily happening today. Okay, bien. So let's take a look with some frases en el presente. Okay, so cuánto tiempo hace que, with some, and hace cuánto que, with some frases en el presente, and you figure out if you can come up with the equivalent of what they mean. So cuánto tiempo hace que tiene fiebre? Essentially, how long have you had a fever? Okay. Hace cuánto que le duele la cabeza? And we're just alternating cuánto tiempo hace que and hace cuánto, okay? Hace cuánto que le duele la cabeza? How long has your head been hurting? Or how long have you had a headache? ¿Cuánto tiempo hace que está con su pareja nuevo? So how long have you been with your new partner? Pareja. Pareja is a good word for you to know. It's a partner like a relationship partner, not like your class partner, that's compañero, but this is partner, an intimate partner, okay? ¿Hace cuánto que trabaja para, no sé, Starbucks? ¿Hace cuánto que trabaja para Starbucks? So how long have you worked for Starbucks? ¿Cuánto tiempo hace que le arde al orinar? So le arde, this is the verb to burn. Le arde burns you. Al orinar, al is upon doing something, so upon urinating. So how long have you had essentially burning when you pee? ¿Hace cuánto que se siente triste y fatigado? How long have you been feeling sad and fatigued? ¿Cuánto tiempo hace que le cuesta subir las escaleras? How long has it been difficult for you to go upstairs? Le cuesta es una estructura also that it works like me gusta, le gusta, etc. And it's le cuesta, it means is it difficult? Literally it's the verb to cost, but it figuratively means it's difficult to do something. So, ¿cuánto tiempo hace que le cuesta subir las escaleras? How long has it been hard for you to go upstairs? Okay, bien. All right, let's take a look at some past examples. So, con frases en el pretérito, the same start structure, but now our verb is going to be in pretérito, and we'll see how it's different. So, ¿cuánto tiempo hace que tuvo fiebre? How long ago did you have a fever? ¿Hace cuánto que le dolió la cabeza? How long ago did you have a headache? You don't have it now. When was essentially your last headache? ¿Cuánto tiempo hace que estuvo con su pareja anterior? How long ago was it that you were with your previous partner? Yeah. ¿Hace cuánto que trabajó para... how long ago did you work for Starbucks? You don't work there anymore. Yeah. ¿Cuánto tiempo hace que notó el ardor? How long ago did you notice the burning? El ardor. ¿Cuánto tiempo, or hace cuánto que estuvo deprimido? How long ago were you depressed? You're not depressed now, but how long ago were you depressed? ¿Cuánto tiempo hace que paró de hacer ejercicio? How long ago did you stop doing exercise? Now, you can think of phrases to add to these, and you can think of them in the present tense or past tense to fit your needs as you work with patients in the clinic. But I thought I'd share it with you. Let's practicar un poquito. Vamos a practicar. Hace cuánto que. We'll use the hace cuánto que structure to practice these ones. Okay? So how are you going to say, how long ago did the pain start? How long ago did the pain start? So we'll start with hace cuánto que, and then the verb for start, empezó. You could also use comenzó. There's another verb to start, comenzó. So hace cuánto que empezó el dolor. How long have you been feeling like this? How long have you been feeling like this? Now you notice that this is, you're still feeling it now, right? And so we're not going to use past tense. We're going to use present tense. Hace cuánto que se siente así. Así is a great word for you to sort of make a note of and keep up your sleeve, because anytime you want to say like this, whether it's for a movement that you're doing during the physical exam or whatever, you just say así, and you've said like this, and people know that that they're either going to copy you or that you're referring to what's going on now. Yeah, in this case, hace cuánto que se siente así. How long have you lived in the USA? Yes, there's no ago here, so we're going to use present tense again. ¿Hace cuánto que vive en los Estados Unidos? How long have you had diabetes? Okay, we still have it, yeah? ¿Hace cuánto que tiene diabetes? All right, let's move structures here now to cuánto tiempo hace que. Cuánto tiempo hace que. It's a little longer. You may not want to use this one, but you certainly will recognize it now as you hear it, and it will make sense to you, yeah? Okay, so how long ago did the tingling start? Tingling is hormigueo. Now we're using ago, so we've got to use a past tense. ¿Cuánto tiempo hace que empezó el hormigueo? How long have you been constipated? Okay, so be constipated or have constipation. We're going to use have constipation in this one. ¿Cuánto tiempo hace que tiene estreñimiento? Yeah, so how long ago was your last tetanus shot? Ago. ¿Cuánto tiempo hace que tuvo su última vacuna contra el tétano? So vacuna is always an immunization, vacuna, and vaccines or immunizations are contra. They're not de, they're contra el tétano, contra el gripe, hopefully soon contra el coronavirus, okay? How long ago did the nausea start? ¿Cuánto tiempo hace que empezó la náusea? Okay? All right, bien. Hey, ¿alguna vez has pensado en Immersion? We are getting ready to travel for our summer programs, and really Immersion is the best way to improve your Espanol. We would love the chance to work with you directly on our immersion programs, either in Ecuador or in Costa Rica. So think about it, and hace cuánto que estuvo en otro país que habla español. So how long ago were you in a country that speaks Spanish? Nunca? Ha! Come with us. We'd be glad to work with you. All right, bien. Gracias por aprender español conmigo. Juntos Our goal is mejorando comunidades, and it really does matter to improve your español. So, para más español, head over to commongroundinternational.com, and hasta luego. See you next week. Ciao.